Hello, health enthusiasts from all around the globe. Today we're about to dive into the creation of an invigorating recipe that's both nutritious and delicious. We're venturing into the world of healthy eating, a journey that's not just about cutting down on junk food, but also about discovering a variety of flavors and ingredients that do wonders for our well-being. Today's recipe is a delightful blend of natural ingredients, each with their unique health benefits. Lemon peel for a vitamin C boost, ginger to alleviate inflammation, green apple for its antibacterial properties, bay leaves and cloves for their myriad of health benefits, and water as the base. Each ingredient contributes to making this not just a tasty concoction, but a health-boosting powerhouse. So, are you ready to learn about this incredible health-boosting recipe? Let's dive right in. So, here we have our simple but potent ingredients: lemon peel, ginger, green apple, bay leaves, cloves, and water. Let's explore each one. Lemon peel is a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants, providing a zesty twist while boosting your immunity. Ginger, weighing in at about 10 to 15 grams, is our next ingredient. This root is a natural anti-inflammatory and pain reliever, known to aid digestion and lower cholesterol levels. Next up is the half-green apple. Don't underestimate this fruit. It's packed with antibacterial properties and it adds a lovely subtle sweetness to our concoction. Our herbs, 2 bay leaves and half a tablespoon of cloves, lend a warm aromatic note and are known for their antifungal and antibacterial properties. Now let's get cooking. Combine all these ingredients in a pot with 700 milliliters of water. Fire up your stove and bring the mixture to a boil. Once it's bubbling, let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then simply turn off the stove and let the magic happen as the flavors meld together. And there you have it, a simple and healthful recipe that's as delicious as it is beneficial. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Always consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. What a wonderful journey we've had today, exploring the wonders of these natural ingredients and their health benefits. We've seen how lemon, ginger, green apple, bay leaves, and cloves can create a potent health concoction. But remember, it's essential to consult your doctor before incorporating any new health recipes into your routine. Stay with us for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into the world of healthy eating and explore another fantastic recipe. Until then, stay healthy and always remember, your health is your wealth.